Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a camera timer on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the camera app. In here, once the camera has launched, tap on the timer button at the top here. And you can choose 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can set it to off. So let's say I'm going to choose 2 seconds. So if I press on the shoot button, you can see it got 2 seconds countdown, and then it will start to take a photo. Now if I try to close it, and if I start the camera again, you can see it's still set to a 2 seconds timer. So if you want to switch it off, you need to go in here and tap on the off button. And that's it. So that's how you can set a camera timer for the Galaxy S21 series. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.